My name is Kathy Marsh. I'm the Deputy Director General of the Private Sector Operations Department at the Asian Development Bank. I'm usually based at our headquarters in Manila, but I've just landed this evening here in Islamabad to attend the Pakistan Minerals Investment Forum 2025. It's not my first time to Pakistan, but it is my first time to Islamabad. I'm very pleased to be here, and I'm excited to attend the forum over the next coming days. I expect there to be a lot of very interesting conversation about the sector in general, and genuinely looking forward to it. Thank you so much for inviting me here.
我叫王洪亮，来自中国地质调查局，非常高兴能够参加巴基斯坦矿业投资论坛，也感谢巴基斯坦同行们的热情接待。我们中国地质调查局自从2015年开始，巴基斯坦地质调查局开展合作10多年来，我们合作非常的愉快，也取得了一系列的成果。也祝愿我们巴基斯坦这一次矿业论坛举办圆满成功。谢谢大家。